AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It can't replace your unique perspectives.
That's why in this video, we're going to show you how to use AI to enhance your creativity and speed up your creation process, not replace you.
And AI doesn't have to be scary. If you're not embracing it, your competitors are, and they're going to have more time to make videos, actually go out and experience their hobby and share more and learn more while you're still stuck on your first draft.
And that's why the first use case I really love AI for is drafting articles. You can see here I've got a 2,904 word draft on the topic of Squarespace templates for therapists. And this is designed to be a really good starter piece of content that I can now pop in and add my own stories, my real life examples, and my opinions, my special flavor into the article itself. But this is a fantastic first draft that I could send straight to my WordPress blog and edit over in there too.
Now, second, AI allows me to have more time to actually go out, film videos, experience things, and review products. That's why we built the video to blog tool, so you can easily turn YouTube videos into first draft content and get it on your blog. The best thing about using a video that you've created with AI is that it's going to have your opinions, thoughts, and your experiences already woven in, so it's even easier and better than just using a simple keyword to start out with. And we even have the ability to quickly generate meta descriptions and titles with just a click of a button, so you can quickly get your article out the door.
After you create your first draft content, you can even pop over to the chat tab inside RightBlogger and work with this content in ways to get more out of it. For example, I just asked the chat to create 2 LinkedIn posts that I can use to promote this article we just wrote, and I gave it some direction on how to begin these posts. AI really thrives with really specific instructions, so if you have a clear vision for how you want to create content with the help of AI, this is going to send you down the right path immediately. And as we can see here, we've got some really good first draft examples of posts that I can use for my LinkedIn now.
And if you're not familiar with prompting AI, we have a full prompt library full of curated prompts that we've created, and we even have dedicated social media tools to help you brainstorm topics to post about.
And remember, more than anything, AI is just a tool. It's going to help you create content a little bit faster. It's going to take things out of your process that you no longer enjoy, but it's you that makes your content special.
So no matter what your blog is about, remember to get out there, experience things, share with your audience, and use AI to help you in that process so you can actually create more and publish more. And if you want to learn more about AI content creation, definitely check out our AI Foundations course that you can get in the description below. It is a free course with a RightBlogger account, so definitely check it out, and thanks for watching.